Hey guys, hi, this is Tulsi. Welcome back to my channel. I share videos related to art, creativity on this channel. So if you are interested in it, consider subscribing to my channel. If you have already subscribed to my channel, also don't forget to hit the bell icon below so that you get notified whenever I come up with a new video. Okay, so in today's video I'll be sharing with you my very own first ever setup of bullet journal 2021. This was a thing I really wanted to try since a long time, but I don't know why I did not make it. So as the year is coming to an end and 2021 is just around the corner, so I thought this is the right time. So what basically is a bullet journal is, it is almost equal to a yearly planner, but in bullet journal you can completely customize your spreads according to your needs and your wants. You can keep it as minimal and simple as possible, or you can add as many designs, doodles you want to make it look beautiful. So it's completely up to you. So without wasting any time, let's get into the video. I'm very excited to share my spread with you all. Okay, so the very first thing you need for journaling is a good diary. I brought this one from Amazon. It's by Signature Marvel. So it has an introductory page, an index page, and it has a dotted grid. The dotted grid is always better for reference. Then at the end of the journal you have this sweet little pocket where you can store your small things or notes. You also have few stickers of months and stickers saying so many things like 10 favorite movie dialogues, then I am thankful for, feeling fabulous, currently I am. The other page also has few stickers which includes bucket list and many such more, which is great to add for your bullet journal. If you wish to buy this journal, I'll leave the link for it in the description box below. You can go and check it out. The other things you need is pencil, some fine liner pens, and I'm using brush pens. I'm also using ruler and some sketch pens and highlighters. Okay, starting the journal with obviously writing my own name on it. Okay, for the lettering in the entire journal, I'm using brush pen by Tombow Freudian. And just starting up my journal with a good motivational quote. For the second page, I am writing 2021 in good big bold numbers and hoping that 2021 is just way better than 2020. So इसलिए following some Indian superstitious beliefs, because why not, 2021 को किसी की नज़र ना लगे, hopefully a fresh new start with some positive words and positive vibes. Okay, for the next page, the page is bleeded a bit. It's okay. The next page is all about keys. So allotting few keys like round for to do, for the tasks that are in progress, half filled circle, completed task has another sign, cancelled tasks, delayed tasks, appointments, important events, notes, and so on. You can add on your keys according to you. That's the beauty of practicing bullet journaling, because you can do and plan whatever works best for you. Okay, so the next page is for gratitude for all the things, big or small, that has happened in 2020. It just helps to focus on the positive things that have happened in 2020, no matter how small they are. For example, you've just survived an entire pandemic in 2020, so why not be thankful about it? The next page that I've set up is for the goals to achieve in 2021. I've divided the goals into 4 parts. The goals are which are career related, your personal life related goals, finance and self-care goals. Adding some little bit of doodle. You can keep it as simple as possible. My next page is habits that I want to inculcate in 2021. Listing all the habits on one page will just help me to be focused and achieve the habits that I want to achieve. My next page is all about brain dump, that is, whatever ideas I have for whatsoever topics, like making a video or creating an art or my work related ideas, I can dump it over here. The other page which I created was about things to check out movies, check out any places or like so. And here I get to use some stickers to just decorate my bullet journal. It just looks pretty. My next page is the future log. You'll need a 2021 calendar for reference for this page. This page is the most tedious and time consuming page of all the spreads. For this spread, what you need to do is you need to note the months, days and dates according to the 2021 calendar, and then you can note down the events that are planned in the future for 2021, or you can note down later on. I'm trying to make the journal look more aesthetic and playing with colors and letters. You can keep your journal as simple as you want, or you can add as many doodles or paintings you want. It is up to you. I'm just trying to make it creative so that I come back to it to fill the journal every day. Idea behind bullet journal is to streamline your plans, tasks, notes and to-do lists so that they fit within an organized system. This method makes it easier for you to prioritize and manage your life, enabling you to be more productive and organized. Okay, so the next page is a bit of creativity. It is a basic illustration showing some self-care properties that I should follow to just relax myself. So whenever I feel a bit anxious, I'll just flip through the page and maybe it might help. This is the best part of bullet journaling. You can add whatever feels right to you and whatever might help you. So it is completely personalized. My next page is again a worry tree which reads, worrying you, what are you worrying about? Is the worry about current problem or is it hypothetical? If it is a hypothetical situation, let the worry go. If it is about the current problem, what is your action plan and so on. So yeah, it might help. Here goes the final flip through for the journal. The intro page, the year 2021 page for the keys. Then we have the gratitude page for the goals and the habits. Then we have a brain dump page and the checkout page, future log page and a page for self-care. Okay, so this was it for the year log for my bullet journal. The next video will be a monthly log. I'll be sharing the spread for month of January 2021. So stay tuned for the next video. If you like the video, hit the like button below. Also don't forget to subscribe. Please subscribe, and if you're subscribed, don't forget to hit the bell icon below so that you get notified whenever I come up with a new video. Until then, stay tuned for more videos. Bye, take care.